minutes with the scooter and we are in Pine Hill Park.
Tin Man from the Wizard of Oz.
Donations welcome.
High five.
Raspberries. They're super small, but
what? Tasty?
yeah. And there's more where that came from. All over this place. Pine Hill Park is a great park because they have a lot of signs, so it's not that hard to walk on it. And on every road crossing there are these signs and they have numbers, so it's awesome. You can't get lost here. And here is Tim's Vista. It's amazing. Only the mosquitoes eating us alive. It's a bummer. I'm going crazy here. And there is Rutland.
Have you seen the movie Harry Potter? This is where Voldemort lives. It's that way, in the forest.
I'm too scared to go that way. Let's go to the bridges.
Oh, and when you look carefully, you can actually see Dobby from Harry Potter, the house elf. Look, there
Where? See him? Woohoo! Yeah, there he is. And we have a surprise for Betsy. It smells delicious.
Raspberries.
With bugs.
She is having Rachel and her son Benjamin over. And today we're going to the Ben and Jerry's factory. So let's hit the road. Use solar panels for the factory, for the energy.
Watch out.
So we're here. Let's take a look. All the flavors they have.
Brownie batter.
Hey, my name is Luciana and I'm going to be guiding you on the 240 tour of the Ben & Jerry's ice cream factory. Who's excited?
For Ben & Jerry, life hasn't always been fair. Fairly nuts. It's fair for the farmer who grows the almonds and the farmer who grows the vanilla and their communities and the cows that make the dairy. It's fair for them.
here are the cows they're using for the milk. Nah, probably not. And this is the flavor graveyard, and here they bury all the flavors who didn't make it and are out of production. Don't lick the graveyards! We're on our way home and we're kind of thirsty, so we're stopping by at the Stowe distillery to get something to drink, try some samples and eat something, because we didn't do that. So hopefully we can eat there something at the picnic.